What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a wash day. I'm just recording it. I took down my mini twist, and yeah, my hair was so nasty looking because I was sick. So I haven't washed my hair in about 2 weeks. Yes, it's been about 2 weeks. So starting off, I'm doing the usual, just wetting my hair, making sure all my strands are wet, and I am going to, I'm showing y'all I had knots and everything. It was just a mess. But just take your time when you get a knot, okay? Don't rush it. Don't panic. When you get a knot, just take your time and you can get it out. So I'm using Maya Organics. They're my babies. I love them. Going in with my shampoo. Y'all see the struggles in the shower? Yes, indeed. So yeah, I'm just shampooing as usual, getting a lot because, like I said, my hair was dirty. It was real dirty, so this felt so good. Just to shampoo my hair, especially after being sick. You can't wash your hair when you're sick because that'll just make it even worse. So yeah, I was so ready to wash my hair. I could not wait. So now this is me just rinsing it out. And so now the star of the show is True by Made Beautiful Damage Control Repairing Deep Conditioner or Deep Treatment Mask. Now this stuff is the absolute truth, okay? It's very, very thick. It's made with mango, shea, rice water, and guava. And it's good for curly, coily 3C and coily 4B and 4C hair. This stuff is the absolute truth. I love it. Okay, it has great slip. Okay, I don't know too many deep conditioners that are thick but have great slip. Like that doesn't happen. And it's 8 fluid ounces. Like I said, this stuff is just great. And the directions read for you to leave it on for about it says leave in for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing, For even deeper conditioning, leave on to 20 to 30 minutes. So I think I left mine on for about 15. So in between there, you know what I mean? But when I tell y'all, this stuff has absolute great slip. I don't know what these people are doing next door, but for real, like, what's going on? Are you serious? Construction? Anyways, yeah, this stuff had great slip, so I just twisted it up and I just left it in my hair for about 15 minutes, and I'll show y'all my results. Like, and I put my little shower cap on and I just finished my shower. And this is real results, y'all. After taking it out, I can look how surprised I am. After leaving it on for that amount of time, I can detangle for the most part. Some tangles still here and there, as you can see. That's a knot, because, you know, yeah, I got 4C hair, people. So, but no, as you can see, my hair is looking good. You understand? So this is my shedding, which I thought I was gonna get a lot more shedding than that, because I haven't done anything to my hair in about 2 weeks. But yeah, my hair felt so good. It was so soft. Oh my god, it was so soft to the touch, and it was manageable after I got out of the shower. No, let me tell you, after I got out of the shower, right, I styled my hair, okay, and I didn't even need to detangle. Like, my hair was so just, oh my gosh, it felt so good. It was so manageable. It was easy to do. I was just so excited. So, oh yeah, and this product can be found at Sally's, strictly at Sally Beauty. Okay. My hair just felt so good, and this is just me getting the water out, putting it up in a ponytail so I can get out of the shower and style my hair. I think I did take it down so I could get a thumbnail. I'm not sure. Let me see. Oh, I'm trying to get product out my eyes. Oh yeah, there it is. Yep. You trying to get a thumbnail. So yes, guys, this product is absolutely amazing. I do recommend this. Highly, highly, highly recommended. Bye.